It's brew day on the dark farm today. I'm making a Marston's pedigree clone. Putting 28 litres of strike water. I'm heating it up to 72.1 degrees, ready for the mashing. It's going up quite quick. Got both elements running and the rims. It's just gone 9:15. Let's see how long it takes. I've got this kit from the malt miller. It's Jim Payne Marston's pedigree. It's a memorial brew for Jim Payne, and this was his favourite brew. I've got some hops, using Foggles, and we've got East Kent Goldings. And when it comes to the fermentation, we'll be using this Old English yeast. There we go, times 10:2, and we're just coming up to the temperature. See if it overshoots. Just pulsing. There you go, it's gone over a little bit. Anyway, it's time to mash it. Better get stirring, hadn't I? I was going to end up with some dough balls. Well, I just looked on Brewer's Friend or whatever, and it says to set 66.7. This is going to be for 75 minutes. I've also put a sight glass on the top of the dark farm. I thought it'd be nice to see a nice clear walk going in. Something else I'm doing is I'm recirculating through the whirlpool arm at the same time as it's going through the top. Read an article about I think it was from Craft Beer over in America, and what they do is they have a bottom fed tank, and they recirculate it back round straight onto the element, the wort. It means if there's a problem, we get stuck sparge or anything like that, I'm hoping that with the recirculation through the whirlpool, I won't have a burnt element or any burnt mash. Also, the temperature gauge is just above the pump, so it's basically in line, so it should keep better temperature control as well. There you go, it's going good. And have a look inside. Have a look. It's looking good. I've finally got the temperature. This Inkbird's quite accurate as well. I stuck a thermometer down the bottom, and it says it's 66.8 coming out the bottom, so I'm quite happy with that. Well, I turned it off for a little bit just to give it a stir. We come back up to temperature again. Everything's going nice. I think I might insulate my tubes. I think it might be a good idea. But yeah, it's 11:15 now. So it's been going quite a while. Coming on to the end of the mash. It was an hour and 15-minute mash, so temperature's held really good. I'm so pleased with that. So see when it comes to the boil out. We are going up to the boil. We've got both elements on. We've got the Inkbird on. Going to set it for 99. then that can make use of the rims tube for getting set to boil. It's got the other element plugged in. There you go.